House Garage, we are at Shannon's here for the Cars and Coffee at Eagle Farm. Awesome event. It's got a real mixture of cars, so you're going to get everything from your supercars, your JDMs, a little bit of chrome bumpery, all here at Cars and Coffee at Shannon. So now we got Andy, the photographer, stand up. All right, let's go and see what's here.
How you going?
Dark horse. Very cool. Got the dark horse. Sleeper here. LS powered Corona. How cool is that? How cool. Alright, let's kick it off here. We got the Shannon's Cars and Coffee, so I started a bit slow, but it's picked up now. Morning, Ray, how you going? There's a whole mishmash of cars here, real mixture, which is pretty cool. So we'll try to get as many as we can. They seem to roll in, roll out pretty quick. Got a beautiful Valiant here. It's awesome. 1962. Very nice. How cool is this C8? It's awesome. And check out the interior. I've never had a look inside them.
Oh my god, that looks better.
That's awesome. Very nice. Sneaky. Very sneaky. That little K truck, how cool is that? Very nice. Got a few rolling up now. Nice crowd, love them. We'll do it around the edge first and then go through the middle. Got the old LS Corona. Very cool. Very cool. Jimmy. Oh wow, have a look at the Ultra. Very cool. Dad 67. LS. My favourite car. The Ice Maiden. Very nice. So quite a few cars inside as well, so we'll go and check them out in a sec, but we'll just go around the edges for now. Oh, nice. Nice. Beautiful Camaro. I love those white stripes. Come on. Yeah, I didn't see the Ferrari pull up. Very nice. Potato. This is such a cool car. How clean's that? Very, very nice. A little smart car. It's actually pretty cool. Well, I got a few turbo cars having a bit of fun out in the street. Some nice cars here. We'll go out the street now. Where to start? We'll start at this nice Torana. Very nice. Very nice.
Nice you going, mate?
Good. It's looking good. Got Andy's car. And Ray. And Ray. Which one's older?
Mine. Oh.
No, no. We haven't got anything that old, I think. Got some, that's a turbo, that one it says. Oh. Got a 34. Driving past the other side, so. One of my favourites. This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Got some barra power. Very nice. Got a few up here. Some JDMs. And then we got these awesome beasts. Got the GDS. Fully sick, my friend. Very, very nice. So this is a New Zealand VL turbo. So a lot of the parts came out of this car are in Dad's 88 turbo build we just did. So this is Wayne and Sam's car. So fully sick, my friends. We got the Barra. This is a weapon. It is an absolute beast. You can probably tell by the back tyres there and the interior. It's built for speed versus comfort. Absolute weapon. Owned by a legend. Nice guy. And yeah, what a car. We'll check a few more out. I'll have it. She's laced up with the cable ties. That's pretty cool JDM sort of look. Oops. We got to get the VL. Beautiful VL. Sorry guys. We got cars. The place is full, which is good. It's not a massive car park, so but you got them all out on the centre islands here as well, which is good. How beautiful is that BMW? That shape and the windows, how they all open up, absolutely stunning. So we'll check that out a little bit more. That is beautiful. Stunning car. Oh, we got a Nugget pulling up. So yeah, we got cars all over the streets. Got a beautiful hardtop pulling up. We're going to get that. So we'll go in there and just check out what's inside. We got Wayne's FC over there. Beautiful car, eh? Beautiful. Yeah, a nice mix. I'll go and have a look at that Escort once people clear. We'll check out what we got inside here. I've got a couple of these pulling up. Some beautiful cars in here. How good's that Lotus? That paint looks amazing. Awesome. So we've got good lighting in here to show the cars off. So we'll be able to see. You can hear the Lambo in the background pulling up that just came in just over here. So we got plenty of high-end cars here today. As you can see, there's a few of them right here. How good's this one sitting in this white screen here? This must be where they take their photos of their cars. So we'll go and check out how good this looks with the in the background. Let's do a little squeeze. just doing the Lambo here. It's got the you know, all the white screen, whatever behind it. So it should come up pretty well. Hopefully there'll be a nice little bit in the video just there for you. Just met the owner. He's pretty cool as well. We'll just go along and check out everything else. Hey, got some suicide doors on the old roller. How gangster is this? That's very cool. Very, very cool. Got the Hot Wheels going on. Probably got Oz Wheels, Hot Wheels, everything. Very, very cool. Oh, have a look at that. That's nice. Another Lambo, beautiful. Got the suicide doors. Very nice. This is pretty cool, eh? I love this. This is gangster. Very nice. This is beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Cool. We've got a few nice cars just around the edges. We'll try to get to them. Some Porsches. We've got a tough turbo power ute. Very nice. Run around this last bit here. Oh, my battery's getting low. Bloody hell. And I'm the furthest distance from my car. How you going, George?
Morning, Dad.
How you going?
All good. Cool to be out.
Fully sick, my friend. Alright, so yeah, running out of battery. So let's see if we can get this last lot in as quick as we can. We got these pulling up, they were awesome. This thing sounds amazing. This sounded awesome pulling up as well. Beautiful.
Like Skylines, they all seem to have STI badges on every single one. Skylines all have GTR badges.
Well, the R32, they sound awesome, eh? Good little car, little 3.2 6-cylinder.
Yeah, they're about out here.
Very cool. Beautiful condition. Have a look at this. This is stunning. So I think equivalent to an RX2, but it's a GS2. It must be import. Absolutely stunning. Michael's cars. I think 383 stroker, I think. 500 horsepower or something. Just had this one painted, closed doory. We're just fixing up all the trim at the moment, trying to find all the chrome parts. But she's looking good. All the supporters of Dad's Garage, our sponsors. Obviously we got Super Performance, we got Gravel, Rash, Bluetooth audio, awesome product. You can pop that in your car without interrupting your you know, your dashboard at all. You can hide your stereo system basically, which is awesome. Check that out. We got Sleek Space flooring, which helped us out with the garage makeover, which is fantastic. So check out their websites, etc. And we've now got Joel's Garage on board, Joel's Garage Gear, sorry, on board. Lifts, garage gear, cupboards, you know, tool trolleys, etc. So thanks very much for the sponsors for helping out Dad's Garage. They help us bring you content, and yeah, they're very supportive, so thank you very much for that. All right, that was Cars and Coffee at Shannon's there at Eagle Farm. That was awesome. We had a whole myriad of a whole range of cars there, which is awesome. If you haven't seen the VL build on Dad's Garage, we just put the turbo on. Just got to get the exhaust, and then she is on the road and ready for the dyno. So check out that video. Dad's Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, all the usual things, and thanks for watching.